Have you been seeing my video lately of me saying how to make money with Sirmapy and SMC DAO? Now, if you have been seeing that video or some of my write-ups surrounding it and you feel a bit confused, I want you to come closer because I want to explain this evening in a layman's understanding. First things first, I'm going to use the popular evangelist Ebukobi, the founder and the pioneer of Zion Ministry, located in Lagos. Now, some years back, I cannot quote the date. I cannot quote the year because I don't have it offhand. Some years back, while in a service in Lagos at Zion Ministry, the founder Ebukobi made an announcement that he will be relocating Zion Ministry from Lagos State to Ngokpala in Imo State. That particular announcement was hit. In fact, it hit two categories of persons. Number one, people who want, the ministry to go back to the east. Number two, people who ask themselves, what do I make out of this information? Since I'm lucky to be one of the first hearers. Now, the few persons who always think ahead, what did they do? Since this man said this church will be in Ngokpala in Imo State, what did they do? They came down to Imo State. They went down to Ngokpala. They did their due diligence around the Ngokpala vicinity. And they were able to find out, or they were able to know that, oh, this area is the area that Ebukobi is planning to acquire, or he has acquired, waiting for development. Now, what did these people do? When they found the place Ebukobi was going to use for a Zion ministry, they started buying lands that are very close to those places, either to resell later or to develop it. If Ebukobi will be holding programs there, people will need hotels, people will need restaurants, people will need recreational centers. In fact, there will be traffic in Ngokpala. And traffic is equal to money if you're already in business and understand how business works. Now, as at the time Ebukobi made the first announcement that he will be relocating Zion Ministry to Ngokpala, lands in Ngokpala we are selling between 200,000 naira to 600,000 naira a plot. In fact, if you see 1 million naira a plot, man, you are buying something in a very juicy location. But on average, lands we are at $200,000 to $600,000, 200,000 naira. Fast forward some years back, I think the first time he did something at that place was in 2024 or in 2025, but I think 2024. Now, in 2024, the structure called Zion Ministry have come to stay. They have performed their first program that saw people from all walks of life attend. Now, do you know what happened? Because of these numbers, because of this traffic, because of the need for so many other things around that place, lands we are now selling as high as 2 million, 3 million, 6 million, 8 million, depending on the location. What am I trying to tell you? These people that had the announcement and left Lagos for Ngokpala and bought lands for 200 to 600,000 naira. Now imagine them selling those lands between 3 million to 6 million naira in a very short period of time. What am I trying to say? You can actually make money with Sirmapy. Yes, just like I relayed the Ebukobi and Zion Ministry with Ngokpala. Let's relay it back to Sirmapy. Sirmapy said that 4 cryptocurrencies out of a total of 11 cryptocurrencies that are currently under SMC DAO have crossed $1 million market cap. That with time, as these 11 coins keep on climbing the ladder in market cap, they will add some coins from the wait list. So there is already a place where coins that will be added into SMC are currently chilling, passing through verification, testing, and the rest of them. Now, if you can actually capture 1, 2, 3, or even all of them and position ahead, you are going to make money. Now, but remember, not every coin in that SMC waitlist is going to finally make it to SMC DAO. But the good thing is this: you just need one win to cancel out every loss you have made in this space. Now, let's assume that one project actually makes it. It covers for every other thing. Let me also tell you again, How do I know? It is not an insider job. Everything that makes me know that some of these coins are under that SMC waitlist are information that are available in the public domain. But maybe you ignored it and walked and passed. But because I read in between lines, that was why I was seeing some of Sirmapy's faint handwriting around some of these projects. And I have been following up on a couple of them. And in due course, I will start mentioning these projects. I will start showing you with evidence the faint handwriting of Sirmapy. If you find it, fine. If you don't, okay. But make sure that every claim or every screenshot that I attach in those videos, make sure you go and verify them. If you verify them, they are true. You already know what to do. I don't need to tell you. I'm in my VDM era. Everything now is coming with what? It's coming with receipts. See you on the other side, brother.